This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Block the front wheels to keep the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Raise the rear of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Place a floor jack under the axle near the shock absorber being removed. Raise the axle just enough to take the load off the shock absorber. Remove the nut and bolt securing the lower end of the shock absorber to the mounting bracket. Remove the shock absorber upper mounting bolts. Slide the shock out of the lower mounting bracket and remove it. Install a new shock absorber, compressing it is necessary to allow for installation. If the new shock is retained by a strap, install the lower mounting bolt first, then cut the strap and feed the upper mounting into place. Install the shock absorber upper and lower fasteners. Tighten the upper shock fasteners to the specified torque setting. Tighten the lower shock fastener to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the opposite side of the vehicle. Install the wheels and lug nuts. Then lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the lug nuts to the specified torque setting.